Bwana Msarigo, thank you. Aso diagnose breast cancer nibwate staging ose stages. Igento ngiri tukuruka da bintu tubwate basic but they are saying to kere diagnose with breast cancer is the antebanga is one of the most common and easier management like totebe karo kwanyo rire yakromite kintu kekutia chanda abantu abange nkelinga ebintu bitukuruka pregnancy related and then tubwate ebintu bindi bya periods na nebibera bona abantu abange bagusiririe bakubuga ebibera is part of the cycle gusiririe umuntu abwate menstruation ndroko nyora abwate obo bimbegete mbingana kinga so we need to be so sensitive and be aware kakara when you do regular checkups ngoba nyorenga yanje karo na isirwe kama tukaliane antungarika koraki so you not akaigankaro lakini after this time ngabwenta koraki kurwa bono muntu nyoranga acheke tiriri akaigankaro akatabenga ndiri nanda bono kago chekiarwe banga bade kintu kingia karati ngeret so into kuranga na breast screening clinical breast exam ilio we check and when you orobere is a huge organ karege ko chakange ntikatiki katirumba kambakandeka ikubona ko monta ko examine nawe ntaba we ngaya my breast begins here and whatever I find in this region is a sensitive issue igento kende ngireke ko rukunga nacho ntiko kartule x-rays ultrasounds na biopsies kartuta yabano twanyolera akatundugusi akatundugusi ometeke tundugusi tari tundugusi kyonzi pikira cancer yes akarukia twanyolera ngike komie kenkerororo we take a sample yakoruru ntokorukanga na histology kara akorero histology amachibu achata tenga yaya ekenkiri cancerous yaya nkiri cancerous so tari kirige ntoke gutokankere ngiri cancerous but muna nata yaba number 1 is self breast exam ekunege ntono nyena yora akore nyomba tari ngati nkende kiri kegeni mono you can do it at your office after taking a shower we supposed you just scan your breasts ikende nkelinga na ekaro kwanyo alirige ntikyo nkero you can also do mna ultrasound na teba ndubwate x-ray ndubwate mammograms ndubwate na nechi biopsy although the biopsy is the last option that is after bono kwanyo alirige ige tunduzinga karo asike ko minkero yes